Digital clocks usually show time in a 24-hour format, and they are easy to understand. The digits before the colon represent the hour, and the digits after the colon represent the minutes. For example here, the 08 represents 8 hours, and then it's 30 minutes past that, so we know that this is 8:30 in the morning, 8:30 a.m. Whereas this isn't as easy to read, but because it's greater than 12, we know straight away that it's in the evening, so it's going to be a PM. Then all we need to do is 20 take away 12 to see how far it is past midday, so that's 8, so we now know that this time is 8:25 PM. Analogue clocks usually show time in a 12-hour format, and they can be a little bit more difficult to understand. The shorter hand, or the purple hand here, represents the hours, and the longer hand, the yellow hand here, shows the minutes. For example, if the short hand is pointing at 10, we know it's 10 o'clock, or a certain number of minutes past 10. The minute hand is a little bit trickier to read because, for example, where the minute hand is here is not just 2.5 minutes because it's halfway between 2 and 3. That's not quite how it works. Each section here, so for example, from here to here, represents 5 minutes because an hour is split into 12 sections. 60 divided by 12 is 5. So here is 5 minutes, and then here's another 5 minutes. So, for example, you always read from 12. So if the minute hand was pointing at here, that's 2 sections past 12, so 2 lots of 5, 10 minutes past. What time is showing on this clock? Well, the hour hand is somewhere between 7 and 8, so it's going to be 7 something. Then the minute hand is somewhere between 2 and 3, so it's 2 sections past 12, so 2 lots of 5, 10 minutes past, but notice it's not pointing directly at the 2, so we need to see which bit it is pointing directly at. It's pointing at this little mark here that is 1 mark past 10, 2 marks past 10, so that must be 12. The important thing to note here is we have no idea whether this is in the morning or in the afternoon. Most analog clocks won't tell you that. The only way to tell would be to look out your window and see whether it's light or see whether it's dark, etc. If you found this video useful, why not try the topic test on our learning platform? Here, you can answer a series of questions and get instant feedback on how you've done in a written solution format that explains exactly how to solve the problem. So here you can see I didn't quite get this one right, so I'll read the written solution and then hopefully I'll be able to figure out the problem.